Praise be to Jesus. Saint Gonzalo Gracia is the first Roman Catholic saint from India. Born in the western coastal town of Vasai, outskirts of Bombay, he preached from the Bassein fort during the time the town was under Portuguese colonial rule. The feast of Saint Gracia was traditionally been held on the first Sunday nearest to the neap tide following Christmas in Vasai. Gonzalo Gracia was born Gundi Salvos Gracia to a Portuguese father and a Canarese mother in Bassein on February 5th, 1557. He was the right hand of Father Saint Peter, Baptist Superior of Franciscan Mission in Japan. He was tutored by Father Sebastian Gonçalves, a Jesuit priest working in Vasai, in the college near Bassein Fort. Gracia studied under the tutelage of the Jesuit for 8 years, from 1564 to 1572. Then, at the age of 15, Father Sebastian took Gracia to Japan. He soon managed to learn the language and since was seen as an affable person, he soon became popular in the local community as a catechist. He resigned and left to Alcau to set up trade. His business prospered and branches were opened in different locales in Southeast Asia. Gonzalo's long-cherished dream to be a Jesuit did not materialize and moved on to Manila in the Philippines on a lay missionary. In the Philippines, he was influenced by a Franciscan priest, Father Peter Baptista, and soon joined the Seraphic Order as a lay brother. After working with the leprosy patients there, he was formally ordained as Franciscan as a friar minor at Manila. On May 26, 1592, the Spanish governor in the Philippines sent Gonzalo on a diplomatic mission back to Japan along with Baptista. After working for 4 years, the Japanese shogun suspected the missionaries of sedition and were placed under house arrest in their monastery in Maiko, Kyoto on 8 December 1596. A few days afterwards, when they were singing Vespers, they were arrested, manacled and immured. On January 3, 1597, the left ears of 26 confessors, among them Gracia, were excited, but were then collected in reverence by the local Christians. On 5th February, Gracia was crucified at Nagasaki Hills with 26 of his companions. Saint Gracia was the first to be extended on and nailed to the cross, which was then erected in the middle of those of his companions. Father Gonzalo, the first to arrive, went straight to one of the crosses and asked, "Is this mine?" The reply was, "It is not." Then he was taken to another cross where he knelt down and embraced it. The others, one after another, started doing the same. That was quite a sight, the way Brother Philip was embracing his cross, comments one of the witnesses. 2 lances impelled his body through his heart. While being nailed, Gracia sang praises of God, earning him the martyr's title. In 1627, Gracia and his fellow martyrs were declared as venerable by Pope Urban VIII. The martyr's feast day occurs on February 5th and in 1629, their veneration was permitted throughout the Catholic Church. On June 8, 1862, Gracia was declared a saint by Pope Pius IX. The Gonzalo Gracia Church in Versailles was built in 1942 and renovated in 1957. A week-long feast is celebrated there in February in his honor. The church is the tallest church in Versailles. It was built by Monsignor Louis Caetan de Souza, a Goan priest. He is patron saint of Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Bombay. Saint Gonzalo Gracia, pray for us. Live Jesus.